Hey people, and for this video, we're gonna show you how to fix your Instagram if it's not showing the reset suggested content preferences. So now let's go and see where that button actually is. So let's go down to the bottom right to our profile, and on the top right on the 3 lines icon, and it takes us to settings and activity. Now if we scroll down, we should find it here on what you see. You go to content preferences and you can see reset suggested content. And this is what it would look like. You would see a button down here. Now if you don't see that, what you actually have to do, and I'm on an Android device, is to go over to settings, scroll down, look for apps, and you see Instagram. And here in the storage and cache, we're going to want to clear the cache and clear the storage. Then we'll have to uninstall the app and find it in the Play Store. However, with iPhone, you can go to settings and find app storage. And from there, when you find Instagram, you're going to want to use the offload this app button, which will essentially reset the app. So you don't need to reinstall or re-log in. However, because some features are available sooner on other countries, if you still don't see that button, we can try installing a VPN. Now, in case you don't know what a VPN is, there are a lot of different free VPNs out there that will let you connect to another region. So you can change your phone's location. Say, go to the United States. Now there are tutorial videos on how to do that, but that is an option you can do. However, there's another option you can try if you missed it. Just go to your Instagram app through the Play Store or the App Store and make sure that the app is updated. If it is, such as we see here, if it only shows open, then it is updated. Now, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, maybe subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our new tips. Thank you for watching and see you again next time.